Ana de Smart Mind é uma escola canadense que oferece cursos de inglês, francês e imigração. Os vídeos estão em inglês ou francês para você se acostumar com a pronúncia. Os professores que sabem português vão te ajudar.
You know that you and only you will improve your language skills. So, let's begin now. There are 4 aspects to increasing your fluency: grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and listening. Of course, you will feel different impacts from them depending on the type of person you are. Visit our website to have a more specific approach. You know that later is better than never, so act now and start doing a difference in your life. Imagine your speaking skills opening the track for you to pursue your dreams and build a better lifestyle. To achieve this, we will help you. You are going to have grammar and pronunciation. Now, let's see some grammar. Infinitive or ing. Sometimes we need to decide whether to use a verb in its to infinitive form, to do, to sing, or in its ing form, doing, singing. For example, only one of the following sentences is correct. I dislike to work late. I dislike working late. Which one? Use infinitive after adjectives, for example, disappointed, glad, happy, pleased, relieved, sad, surprised. This includes to plus adjective and adjective plus enough. Look at these example sentences. I was happy to help them. She will be delighted to see you. The water was too cold to swim in. Is your coffee too hot to drink? He was strong enough to lift it. She is rich enough to buy 2. After certain verbs, for example, forget, help, learn, teach, train, choose, expect, hope, need, offer, want, would like, agree, encourage, pretend, promise, allow, can, can't afford, decide, manage, mean, refuse. Look at these example sentences. I forgot to close the window. Mary needs to leave early. Why are they encouraged to learn English? We can't afford to take a long holiday. Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving. Using when the word is the subject of a clause. Swimming is good exercise. Doctors say that smoking is bad for you. After a preposition, I look forward to meeting you. They left without saying goodbye. After certain verbs, avoid, dislike, enjoy, finish, give up, mind, not mind, practice. Look at these example sentences. I dislike getting up early. Would you mind opening the window? Some verbs can be followed by the infinitive or ing form without a big change in meaning. Begin, continue, hate, intend, like, love, prefer, propose, start. It started to rain. It started raining. I like to play tennis. I like playing tennis. Tell us which one you feel is better for you. Now, let's see some pronunciation. To pronounce beautiful sounds, you have to pay attention to vowels and consonants. You will want to sound the vowels vibrating your mouth and nose, and consonants posing a stop. At the end of the words, you want to feign the sounds. Hear and imitate the sounds of these extracts as many times as you feel comfortable. Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link and go deeper into your study to achieve your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video, and be sure to be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.